If you think your funnel is good enough, think again. Your sales funnel is silently bleeding opportunities night and day. In the high-stakes world of B2B tech sector, a flawed funnel isn't just inconvenient, it's a ticking time bomb under your future ambitions. What if I told you every day your sales funnel is weak, your competitors are grabbing your potential customers? In industries like fintech, e-commerce, and agritech, and many tech platforms, you might be facing the same critical issues that plague many tech co-founders. For instance, countless potential customers disappear during the sign-up process. Even worse, your onboarding fails to convert when it matters most. And let's talk about your call to action. If they are not crystal clear and irresistible, you're not just missing opportunities, you're leaving substantial revenue on the table and losing critical market share. These aren't just minor hiccups, they are massive roadblocks, choking your company's growth and threatening its very survival in this cutthroat industry. Think about this, some of the most powerful fixes to these platforms have been right under your nose. Stay with me to uncover these secrets that can slash your funnel's friction and skyrocket your conversions. I have gathered insights from top leaders at Ramp, Canva, HubSpot, Wiz, Google Gemini, Dropbox, and more. Let's start with a situation that burned tons of money from ad spend. Meet Matt, a co-founder at Google. The web design for the funnel they created was crisp and pleasing to the eye, and all the funnel assets were set up to usher prospects smoothly through sales funnel. However, after launching it, they found that they weren't bringing in nearly as impressive results as they were hoping for. And the problem was they weren't attracting the right kind of prospects. Guess the result? The people who landed on the landing page weren't interested in what they were offering, no matter how good the copy and the web design were. They were tossing out a big net into an ocean trying to catch tuna, but they end up with a net full of grouper. After taking a closer look, they realized there were two main reasons. Number one, the keywords were off. The way they set things up on the technical side meant they were ranking for all sorts of keywords they had nothing to do with the clients. For instance, sometimes they were accidentally bringing visitors looking for staffing agencies, even though they were trying to sell branding agency services. You can see why the visitors were not interested. Second reason, the copy was off. While the copy had the right personality, it wasn't as clear as it should have been. And the law of clarity is one of the laws of the sales funnel physics. You should apply to your copywriting. Vague wording may sound clever, but when your prospects have to think too much about what they should do on your website, it increases the mental friction and makes it more likely that they will drop off the landing page. Better to be clear, direct, and simple. They have since refined their ad creation process and developed new ways to weed out keywords that don't match what their clients are selling. This allows for more targeted ads that only bring in the right kind of prospects. But refining keywords and copy is just one part of the puzzle. To truly optimize a sales funnel, you need a comprehensive approach. So how can you ensure your funnel isn't bleeding opportunities? Let's dive into some of the real-world examples. Joanna Chung at Linktree noticed a big problem. Despite lots of traffic, their sign-up rate was underwhelming. She took a hard look at their sales funnel and made a game-changing discovery. By moving the Linktree logo to the bottom of the user's page and tuning it into a create a Linktree call to action, they nearly doubled their sign-up rate. This clever adjustment turned passive viewers into active participants, leveraging the existing traffic and making every visit count. Think of auditing your sales funnel like tuning up a car. You check every part from the engine to the tires to make sure everything runs smoothly. You want to find and fix everything and anything that slows down. You're right? The goal is to make sure every stage from when someone first hears about your product to when they decide to buy it it should work perfectly. You want to remove any obstacles that might stop them from moving forward. As we have seen with Grupo and Linktree, refining your approach can lead to significant improvements, but that's just the start. Beyond just tweaking CTAs, Kate Lockhead, a CMO at Snorkel AI, emphasizes the importance of a holistic digital presence audit. She points out that many startups neglect their YouTube channels, which can be a critical touchpoint, especially in tech industries where educational content can significantly influence buyers' decisions. For example, by optimizing video titles and scripts and integrating strategic keywords, a tech startup could improve its visibility and attract viewers, especially at the early phase of the sales funnel. Your online presence reflects the integrity and trustworthiness of the brand. Potential clients who search for your services expect to encounter a polished website, dynamic social media activity, including a YouTube channel, and authentic testimonials. An audit ensures these digital touchpoints peacefully embody your expertise, fostering trust, credibility among your audience. This leads us directly into the power of strengthening your message across all channels. At Copy AI, they repositioned their AI writing assistant from a simple tool to a revolutionary force in content creation. What does that even mean? The messaging shifted from highlighting basic features like speed and ease of use to emphasizing how the tool could transform content strategy with AI-driven insights. This new angle was designed to capture the imagination at C-level executives looking to gain a competitive edge in digital marketing. Another aspect of Copy AI approach was to reframe value propositions to directly address C-level concerns such as ROI, brand differentiation, and market leadership. For instance, Copy's AI marketing materials began emphasizing how AI integration could significantly reduce time to market for new campaigns and increase the ROI of content marketing by generating more personalized and engaging content at scale. In practice, this meant redesigning Copy's AI landing page, featuring testimonials and case studies that spoke to these high-level benefits. Instead of merely listing product features, the page showcased stories of how Copy AI had helped similar companies achieve remarkable results, like doubling their web traffic or tripling their engagement on social media campaigns. Strengthening your messaging involves more than just crafting catchy phrases. It's about creating a narrative that aligns with your brand's values and speaks directly to the needs and challenges of your target audience, particularly a decision maker at C-level. Clear and compelling messaging can differentiate your product or service in a saturated market, build brand loyalty, and drive conversions. However, attracting visitors to your site and engaging them with your content is only part of the journey. Once we have captured their interest, the next crucial step is ensuring they can easily take action. And this brings us to another critical aspect of our digital marketing strategy: enhancing the user experience, particularly during the sign-up process. With a cloud security platform, decided to use a blurred UI background in sign-up forms. By implementing this method, overlaying the sign-up form on a blurred screenshot of their main dashboard, Wiz has effectively drawn user attention to the form while offering a tantalizing glimpse of what lies behind. This not only enhances user curiosity, but also significantly boosts form completion rate. That's what you want to achieve, especially when there's a blurred background that encourages users to engage further and eager to explore the full capabilities of this product. The success of this approach is evident in the measurable rise in sign-up completions, demonstrating how well the design leverages psychological triggers to enhance the user engagement. A smooth, engaging sign-up experience can significantly reduce bounce rates and improve conversion rates. Focusing on how the users interact with your sign-up interface can uncover opportunities for substantial improvement. Having seen the powerful effect of engaging design elements on user behavior, let's ask ourselves, what's the next step in maximizing conversion? It's identifying and optimizing call to actions at points where user drops off the highest. But how and why does this matter for you? Well, a strategically placed and carefully crafted CTA can transform passive browsing into active engagement, significantly boosting your business ability to convert viewers into leads and customers. So, how do you achieve this? Well, one instance, Hela Chu from GitLab observed that a SaaS platform with a substantial free user base had a low conversion rate to paid plans. Data indicated a significant drop-off at the user dashboard, which lacked a clear, compelling CTA to encourage upgrading to address this. So what she did is just put upgrade now, prominently placed on the dashboard with an enticing offer visible immediately upon login. This CTA was designed to be eye-catching and was coupled with a brief list of additional features. Results? This simple yet strategic addition led to a noticeable increase in conversions, as users were continually reminded of the value they could gain by upgrading at a point where the decision was most relevant. So, I hope these real-life examples of sales funnel problems before launch help you spot potential weak points in your own business sales funnel, because no matter where you're at in your business, there's always room to improve. And you can learn more about how to boost your conversion with our proven sales conversion audit. Just reach out to me through the form link in the description below. That's all for now.